Okay, I'm really sorry for the dog barking, but we have to make a submission, so we are pin safe, and we are presenting the decentralized Pinterest for Canto blockchain hackathon. So our team consists of me, a full stack developer, and my teammate Grigor. We've worked for the past year on multiple projects and won prizes from Filecoin, Algorand, Ceramic, and other sponsors. And we're very PinSafe is a decentralized image, video, and content aggregation platform where users can not only control the contents but the platform itself. So we outlined the problem of monolithic web applications which retain ownership of user content and essentially block users from interacting with their created contents on other applications. And we're trying to combat this with a solution which has 4 key features such as decentralized feed, which reinforces the discovery of content and feedback, the decentralized identity, ERC 725 standards, which provides anonymity and data protection, and upgradable, resilient, and more decentralized storage such as IPFS, ARV, Skynet, and finally smart contracts which securely serve web experiences directly to users. So here's our demo. We can load posts with React Infinite Query, interact with these posts. We can, for example, interact with this video. This is the title, this is a post. Here we can write a message and react to already existing ones. This one is the first centralized post on Canto. And here we got actually a post from one of our Twitter subscribers. It's a bit explicit, but we'll take it, I guess. Yeah. So this tab upload is where we can actually upload a post. We don't have enough Canto at the moment to upload more posts, but we can demonstrate how this could work. Here we enter the title, here we enter the description of it, of the post, and here we can actually choose an image. And we can also choose a provider, which consists of NFT storage, NFT port, ARV, estuary, and we can actually upload a couple of the posts, which is a distinctive feature from other chains in our application. Yeah, and then you essentially press this button to upload posts. But as you can see, we currently don't have enough Canto, and we'll probably upload this post a bit later when we have enough. Yeah, so here is the profile tab where we can edit our profile, our decentralized profile. So this is the name, this is the description or bio. Here we can actually see the list of our followers and the number of people we're actually following. Yeah, and here we can also upload a profile picture and the cover. And here we can actually, yeah, you can see how it connects between, how the details connect between one another. Yep, I guess that's it. So you can connect with us on LinkedIn and on Twitter. Here is actually a post from our subscribers.